wanted to make a quick video of my aquaponics system. It's basically a system where you have fish and the fertilizer from the fish basically circulates up and gets pumped into the top. It's called a grow bed, and that's what fertilizes your plants. And it's a continuous fill of water, and then when it hits sort of that gravel level at the top, it automatically drains down using a siphon system right here. And so that suction, once a siphon gets started, that suction pulls all the water completely out, drying the grow bed, at which point it draws oxygen down into the roots of the plants, and then it slowly breaks siphon. Once it's empty, and it sucks air, and then the water replenishes again from the tank below. So you can see the tank below got goldfish, and there's actually a couple brim in there, some sunfish. And they're what create all the fertilizer. I started the goldfish because they're cheap, and a lot of times in the startup of the system, you can lose your fish. You got to sort of let it cycle a little bit and let all the nutrients, the nitrates, ammonia, all that stuff sort of balance out. But I've now had these plants in for 2 weeks, and they're doing great. I've got red, green, and yellow bell peppers, basil, thyme, tarragon, cilantro, some mint, and that was sort of my test bed to get things going. You can plant tomatoes, cucumbers, really anything, but from what I hear, in the beginning, the leafy vegetables do the best. The leafy plants do the best. So I'm about to plant some lettuce, some Swiss chard, some other things. I know it's really late in the system, late in the season to be doing that with the heat, but I'm facing the east, so I'm hoping, and I'm shaded, I'm covered right here. I'm hoping if I don't give them lots of direct sunlight that they might be okay. It's a cheap adventure, so we'll see. So I've got 2 of them going. This one I haven't got plants in yet. I'm about to, but you can see right now where the water is draining from the siphon. So we'll do that for about 2 minutes, and then it'll automatically turn off, and then the water will go back up in the top again. So it's a continuous cycle. And then I also put a called a venturi right here. That pulls air in as it puts water in, and that's basically your bubbler to keep the water oxygenated for the fish. And so I've got valves on everything so I can control the flow. And then I also I put a drip irrigation, so I have drip irrigation sort of pulling off of this system, going here, and then I've got some buckets over here where I've got some tomatoes and some other things going just on drip. So it's getting the same nutrients, and it's just everything is pulling off of this one little pump right here. That's it. So that one pump is taking care of all these plants and all these beds.